Hello and welcome to Shop Talk with Dan the Man. In today's video, we're going to dive into a multi-video series, and that is building my kids a playhouse. At first I called it a tree house, but you'll see in this video that I won't be using a tree to attach it to, so it will be ultimately a playhouse about 6 feet up in the air. So stay tuned and watch this video, and then I have a bunch more to follow. So what I'll do is I'll take this video and the other videos and I'll put them all together in the end for one solid video, and I'll also make a playlist that you can watch if you want to watch them back to back. So stay tuned to find out more. Hello, if you're new to this channel, my name is Dan Shannon. I enjoy woodworking as a hobby and being out in the shop. On this channel, dive deep into my shop as we explore tools and tool reviews, as well as chatting about everything related to woodworking. If this grabs you by the tool belt, please subscribe to my channel if you want more videos like this. Hello and welcome to Shop Talk with Dan the Man. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, thanks for coming back on this treehouse / playhouse build. I have done this for the last 5 weeks now. So I've got a lot done. As you can see behind me, I'll show you what it looks like right now. So there is the front, and I'll give you a little bit of a tour. This is stage 4 of my stage series. So just stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and now we're on stage 4. So last week I was supposed to do stage 4, but I had some technical difficulties. So I finished the roof trusses and got those all framed in both gable ends. But I had technical difficulties. I had my phone and it did not record while I was building, which was a huge discouragement. And when it comes to technology, it works great when it works, and sometimes it just doesn't. So apologize for that on the build. I really wanted to have a time lapse of the rafters and trusses being framed in and put in place, but I didn't. So let's do a little preview of what I got going on right now. So this is the build right now, and as you can see on the top part, I did the roof. I got that all framed in, so we'll go up on the ladder in a second, but you can see it's a lot different than the previous video, stage 3. So once again, apologies for not being able to do a time lapse on the roof as I installed that. That was quite frustrating. So let's go up and have a sneak peek of what I did. So here is the roof fully framed in. I put some blocking on my cross members for my trusses because I'm having this open concept, and I just wanted a little bit more support for the top beam to have extra support when the trusses were coming off that. And then of course my gable end, I have that all framed in, and you probably noticed, maybe you haven't, but I have an extra plate on each side with my cross bracing. That was just to bring it up slightly because the overhang on the outside, I needed to bring that up, and it was the only way to accomplish that was to put a plate there. And then of course on this back side, another gable end framed in. And then of course that extra plate I was referring to, just so I could bring up the height and attach my rafters. So yeah, that's a look at the roof, getting that done. So now today I'm going to start on the 2 gable ends. So I'll take you outside and show you where I'm going to be working. So here's the outside gable end, and I have an extension piece on this side as well as the main peak, and then of course I have one on this side as well. So I'm going to be using this same fencing, repurposed fencing, for my gable end. So I'm going to put that in place, tack it, and then since I have it here, I'm going to be able to do my angled cuts instead of figuring that out after the fact. I'll be able just to tack it on and then run my circular saw along each edge to get the perfect angle that I need. And then of course I'll go to the other side and complete that same exact setup, and I'll probably do a transition strip once I get this, I think they call it board and batten, with this layered look, and I'll put a transition strip there rather. So yeah, so that's a look at stage 4, and if you haven't seen my other videos, please check them out. You can see the inside here. It's all studded in, and of course the doorway and the front window as well. So just wanted to give you a update on the progress here. Apologies once again, I wasn't able to get the time lapse done of me building the structure due to technical difficulties. All right, let's jump into today's project and go from there. I'm really excited to see this transformation and get the roof on. So I have all the knee braces on the 6x6, 2 on each post, just to give it that full brace. I did about 2 feet, 2 feet on either side, so nice and secure. And then I finished with the gable ends, so those are done as well. As you can see there, the one side, and then I will go to the back side. There's the gable end on the back side. I have to put a transition strip on the front and the back. You can see a little daylight there. I don't have the roof on quite yet, but it's looking pretty good. And there, of course, is the knee bracing that I put on. Here's the final look at the end of stage 4. Stay tuned for stage 5. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you learned a little bit about structure builds and enjoyed this content. Please give me a thumbs up. Say that you enjoyed it. If you have any comments, please leave the comments below. Maybe you've built something for your kids and you love to share that, or maybe you don't have kids and you've also built something that is pretty cool. Leave those comments below as well. I'd love to hear back from you. And if you're not already and you'd like to be part of the Shop Talk family, please click on that subscribe link down below. We'd love to have you on board to talk about carpentry, woodworking, shop projects, tool reviews. Doesn't matter how big or how small your shop is, just get out and enjoy it. And if you're like me and you have other projects outside of the shop, just get out there and build those and enjoy those as well. Until next time, I will talk to you later, and have yourself a great day.